One of the best things you can do to help keep your tires lasting longer, save fuel, and improve the handling of your vehicle is maintaining proper air pressure. Each month, your tires will naturally lose about 1 to 2 pounds of air pressure, and every 10-degree change in temperature causes your tires to change in pressure by 1 psi. So it's important to check your tires' air pressure every 2 to 4 weeks, and especially before you head out for a road trip. Let's see just how easy it is to check your air pressure. First, you'll need an accurate air gauge, like this one. Now, I know it's tempting to use one of those public pressure gauges like you see at the gas station, but those aren't always accurate or reliable. That's why you should always have one of these in your car. Next, you'll want to locate the correct air pressure for your specific car or tire. This can be found in your vehicle's owner's manual or the tire placard attached to the vehicle door edge, door post, glove box, or fuel door. Pro tip: you don't want to use the inflation number shown on the tire. This number represents the maximum tire inflation and not the recommended air pressure for your vehicle. To get the most accurate reading, make sure you check the pressure before driving on your tires. See, when you drive, your tires warm up, causing the pressure inside to increase 1 psi every 5 minutes for the first 15 to 20 minutes of your drive. So if you have to drive before checking the pressure, try not to drive more than a mile, or at least let your tires cool down before checking the pressure. Okay, well, let's check the pressure. First, unscrew the valve cap, put it in a safe spot. You don't want this little guy rolling away. Then press the gauge into place. You may hear a short burst of air come out. Look at the gauge to see the air pressure. Compare that to the number you found for your vehicle. If you add air, check the pressure again to make sure you have the correct air pressure. When you're done, make sure to replace the valve cap. This protects the valve stem from corrosion and debris, which could also lead to less air in your tires. And don't forget to check your spare. Now, if you don't have a full-size spare, it'll require a higher amount of air pressure to carry the load of your vehicle. There you have it. Be sure to check out some of our other videos for more tips and tricks, or visit us online at discounttire.com. Thanks for watching.